How to install your lenses into clip-in metal sunglass frames. For clip-in metal sunglasses, removing the lenses is relatively easy. The metal frames are designed so that even if you bend them whilst removing the lenses, the frames won't warp or bend out of shape. Start by removing your old lenses by turning your sunglasses towards you and place your thumb in the nose bridge section. Then, place your other thumb in the center of the lens and pull down until it pops out. You can be firm with your grip, as the lenses are made of very strong materials. To install your new lens, line up the outside edge with the frame and insert it from the outside in. Make sure it's in the grooves properly, then push the other side of the lens into place. Do this by pushing up on the lens and down on the frame. Once it's in place, pull down on the lens to ensure it's secure. Finally, give your new lenses a clean with your new cleaning cloth and enjoy seeing clearly again with the Sunglass Fix.